1957 Torch Red Thunderbird. Both the convertible top and the hardtop. Professional body off the frame restoration with limited miles. Odometer is 239 miles. Correct XK Colonial White Interior with the proper embossments and obsolete new old stock engine turned aluminum trim on the interior. Previously rebuilt 312 245 horsepower Thunderbird V8 4-barrel. She is the D series. A rebuilt Ford-O-Matic 3-speed automatic transmission. Masterguide power steering. The T-Bird 4-way power seat. The rebuilt original Town and Country radio. Twin exterior mirrors. Color keyed seat belts. Both tops consist of a torch red hardtop and a replacement white convertible top. She has a Ford accessory backup light system, real Thunderbird wire wheels with Radial Whitewall Tires, Concours Correct FOMOCO etched glass, I should say Ford Motor Company X-Class, etched glass, Ford Accessory engine dress-up option. The bottom side of this car is correctly finished in torch red without undercoating. Chassis is refinished in chassis black. Notice her fit and finish, and I notice how well she drives. She has a smaller diameter steering wheel to give you easier entry and exit. Quite outstanding red 57.